When it comes to fine-tuning your small business's branding, stickers are one print material you shouldn't overlook. They're incredibly versatile, practical, and just plain fun. Look around you. Chances are there's a bunch of stickers stuck to a laptop or a computer close by, or maybe on your coffee thermos or your car. Beep beep! People love stickers as a way to show off their style and share their beliefs. As a small business, you can have a ton of fun using stickers to expand your branding. Come with us as we show you the different types of stickers you can print for your small business and the best uses for each. The first thing to consider when printing your stickers is the shape and format. If you want to keep it simple, you can get single stickers in standard shapes, such as squares, circles, rectangles with rounded corners, or ovals. If you want your sticker shape to be as unique as your design, die-cut stickers are cut to the shape of the design itself. This creates a super personalized and eye-catching look, which is great for branded merch. Kiss-cut stickers are similar to die-cut stickers, but they're made by cutting through the sticker layer without cutting the backing paper. This gives you a custom shape that's easy to peel off. The extra backing is a great space for additional information or branding, making it a practical giveaway at events or trade shows. Sheet stickers are the best option when you need more. A whole sheet's worth, in fact. You can get these in either standard shapes or die-cut. And you can also get stickers printed on roll labels if you want to speed up or automate the application process, like applying your stickers to packaging or other products in bulk. So, you've got the shape and format down. Now let's look at the different materials you can print your stickers on and what they're suitable for. Paper is the classic and most popular choice, as it's lightweight, budget-friendly, and super versatile. Uncoated paper is also easy to write on, perfect for branded labels or name tags. However, paper isn't super resistant to water and oil, which limits its outdoor use. If you want something that can handle the outdoors, you'll want to look at plastic stickers made from vinyl or polypropylene. They're both known for their durability and resilience, making them ideal for showcasing your brand on vehicles, storefronts, or giveaway merch that might take a beating. Polypropylene is probably the toughest of the bunch, and is a little more flexible than vinyl, making it a good choice for uneven surfaces. Another added bonus of plastic stickers is that they can be transparent, which is great for windows, glassware, or anywhere a no-label look is desired. But what if you want to take your stickers on and off again? Static cling stickers adhere to surfaces using static electricity. These are best for window displays, temporary signs at expos, or stickers on products that should be peeled off after purchase. Just remember, they only stick to glass or other smooth surfaces, and exposure to the elements can damage the sticking effect. Time to put the final touches on your stickers by selecting the right finish. This step can completely transform your sticker's look, so choose wisely. Stickers with a glossy finish have a shiny, reflective surface that boosts color vibrancy and slightly increases moisture resistance. Meanwhile, matte stickers have a non-reflective finish that provides a softer, more subtle look with easy readability. They're also resistant to smudges and fingerprints. Want to really catch the eye? Add a decorative flair with a metallic finish in gold, silver, or bronze, or go even bolder with a holographic finish that creates a rainbow-like shimmer. Well, who knew there were so many kinds of stickers? Now that you know what you can do with them, head to our site and browse the full range of stickers and labels. If you saw a sticker in this video, you can bet we printed it at VistaPrint. And remember, when it comes to stickers, don't be afraid to have some fun. An eye-catching, playful design is the best kind of advertising, whether it's on a thermos, a laptop, or a car bumper. Thanks for sticking around.